Hello guys, in this video tutorial I am going to show you how to download and install Adobe Photoshop Express. So let's start. Open your browser and type Microsoft Apps. Search. Click on Microsoft Apps. On search bar, type Adobe Photoshop Express. Enter. It's a free version, as you can see here. Click on PS logo and then install. Open with Microsoft Store, it's required. Wait for some time. Setup is downloading required files. Now setup is ready for installation. Click on open. Click on next. Next. Get started. Select any option to continue. If you have already logged in with Google account or Facebook account, then continue with Google account or Facebook account. I am going to sign up with email. Email address. Password. Continue. First name, last name, month of your birth, year of your birth. Check on done. Continue. Just wait. Installation is going on. I think installation is going on in background. Minimize. Installation window is not showing on the screen, but no problem. It will take some time. Yeah, installation is completed. If you like the video, please subscribe my channel and also hit the like button.